Number 58. Calculate the ionization constant for each of the following acids or bases from the ionization constant of its conjugate base or conjugate acid, and then we have letter C out of the bunch. So in this case, we want to find the ionization constant for HAsO43-, and this is acting as a base. Now, I just want to point out here, I think there is a typo in this question. If it's HAsO4, this should be a 2-. So I'm just going to go through the question as if this was a 2- charge. Now, they're already telling me that it's a base, so the ionization constant that I'm trying to find is Kb, B for base. So I went to the back of the textbook, and I found the conjugate acid. The conjugate acid always has one more hydrogen than what you started with. So I had 1 hydrogen here, I have 2 here, and the Ka value was 1.7 times 10 to the negative 7th. So basically, we're just taking Ka and we're converting it into Kb. Cool. What's the formula in which we can go from a Ka to a Kb value? That's this formula right here. It's the Kw formula. Kw equals Ka times Kb. Now, if we're trying to solve for Kb, and we want to get this by itself, we would divide both sides by Ka. That will cancel this out. So, for the simplicity of the video, I'm just going to show that right now. We're going to divide by the Ka, bring this down, and then we have a nice little formula. Kw divided by Ka equals Kb. Now we know the Ka value, that's from the conjugate acid, 1.7 times 10 to the negative 7th. And since we pulled this from the back of a textbook, we're at room temperature, which means that we should know the Kw. Kw is the ionization constant for water, and that's 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14th. So now since we have both numbers, we can solve for Kb. So let's go ahead and do that. So something divided by something else would be equal to Kb. 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14th divided by the Ka, 1.7 times 10 to the negative 7th. And then we're going to get the Kb. Okay, let's see. 1 times 10 to the negative 14th divided by 1.7 times 10 to the negative 7th. And 2 sig figs, so 5.9. Yep, 5.9 times 10 to the negative 8th. And there we go. Pretty good, guys. What do you think? I really hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. We're almost done with 58. We're going to be on letter D soon, so hang tight if you guys are on the playlist. I hope you're having a great day out there, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, bye-bye.